Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Muwandu Wavinya Ndeti Umunthi Niweethiwa na Kyathi Kinene cha Kutania Sikuku na Syana Kuma Isioni Kivathukanyo sia kaunti ya Masaku Uvisini Kwake White House Vala Syana Syeethiwa na Ivuso ya Kuthauka Nzikaioni sia Kuendeea Kuea Inengo kwa Syana Nini hainena Kyathi niki Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti Sikuku taini muvango wa movea wa mivai wa Kuendeea kukwatilila Syana na kuikithia kana vai kamwe kana atilwa itina na kuigwa sisia vata katikati Muwandu alange Meshak David na Maovu.
Ni utanu ula wa kusi wakati wa Syana ithika vindakala Syeethiwa na Kutania Sikuku Uvisini Gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Muwandu Wavinya Ndeti na Vala ithokete Syana kuma ikonyoni cionthe cia kaunti ya Masaku kavindaka kwima Sikuku.
Today is a very special day, a day of laughter, fun, friendship and sharing.
Gavana Wavinya na wawetakana kiilelo kinene ni kuikithia vaikana kama Masaku kana atiwa itina na kila kamwene keiwa keka vata ungu wa walanio wa muvea wa mevai. Ingi Gavana nuwathingilila muungamo wake wa kuikia vinya ikundi ila mbinyiye sia enenthi. Gavana Wavinya na wakulia enenthi ala mena ukwati vindani ya Sikuku maisani na alama tena ukwati na kuungamana mama vatani mo.
It is a day to remind every child here that you are loved. As the county government, through our Department of Gender and Social Welfare, we remain firmly committed to protection of children and support of vulnerable members of our society. Our duty is to ensure that every child grows up in a safe, caring and dignified environment with access to education, healthcare, food and basic needs. I am proud of the dedication shown by this department in organizing today's celebration and standing in with our children throughout the year.
Kwa muthenya mwima Syana ithini Syeethiwa na mathau liu kati wa mautanu angi alamati ya moyo mwingi ngoni sio vilingi wa mauvo Mutongo TV ni eto wa Meshak David.